What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. On this episode we're going to be working on the project Winnebago for the Gambler. We're going to get the carburetor ripped off and get it taken apart and see what we need to replace in it, if anything, or if it just needs to be cleaned up. Hopefully the rain holds off tonight and we can get the brakes bled as well. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let's get to it. Alright guys, well, it's not looking good on the rain holding out. It just started to rain and we got a leaky roof. What a bummer. Alright, let's get this car pulled off. 1/2-inch socket, 4 bolts. Alright, well, it's officially downpouring now. Got the fuel bowls pulled off and they're just full of rust and junk in there. So we'll pull it all apart and try to get all that cleaned out of there. Otherwise everything looks really pretty nice in here, like it was gone through not too long ago, but just a lot of rust and junk from running bad fuel in it. Well, up here on the roof we're going to do a little sealing so we stay dry just in case it rains. We've got some year-old roof patch that's pretty well dried out, so that's what we're going to try to smear off. Looks pretty good. I don't think this is going to work, but we're going to do it anyway. It's so dried out. You know, really, it's a quality piece of machinery. You know the old saying, one man's trash is another man's Winnebago. Is that how it goes? I don't know. Alright, do me 3 more. There's not a lot of pressure down here yet.
Are you ready?
Yep. Doesn't seem like it's as good as it should be, but it definitely bled some air out, so I'll go over to the other side. Okay. Definitely some air in that one too. All right. Alright, one more. This one's seeming pretty good.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh boy, tighten that tight. Alright, check that reservoir. Well, the other night we pulled down the bed above there and got some new supports built for the roof. I'm about ready to get a nice coat of paint on there to really make it look nice. Really jazzing the place up this year.
Beautiful.
Alright, we're getting ready to take her on the post brake bleed,
Give me that blue moon right there.
post
Right on that fuel pin.
wind louver scoop. Look at all the headroom we have now. Test drive. We got a nice little cubby up here for, you know, putting stuff, maps, something like that. Your empties, I guess. I guess that's where you put your Wii at.
Oh shit.
We got video games up there, I guess.
Yeah.
Hey, that's my dead grandma's chair. Don't break it. Got good oil pressure, got good voltage. Steering feels super tight. I don't know what the deal is with that. Brakes are on the floor, but they appear to be working.
Yeah, they work great. No need to slam them again.
Well, I want to do multiple tests, you know. I like to test things out. Got her pegged. Just like driving anything else. Oh yeah, they work good. We're good. We took her up to speed. Hold on to your butt, Aaron! Oh god! I think it'll stop it.
Yeah, I think it works
its job
a couple
so far.
times now.
Got the air vent scoops installed up top there. Helps get a little more air inside of it. Get the hell out of here. Look at that thing.
This is gonna get the hell out of here.
The Winnebago, it's the thing that keeps giving. That chair is awesome. It's really hard. I'm using a foam brush.
Yes. Did you just cut that strip off a bigger foam brush?
Yeah.
God damn it.
I don't know where any paintbrushes are.
I saw that. Alright. Alright.
Just don't think I can make a 2.
What does the professional painter think?
I have a van fully loaded like half a block away if you need anything.
I was gonna just do like the 2 and then just make it a 0 on top.
Well,
It's got the 7,
yeah.
8, 9.
We gotta update the year. Our original plan was to just X that out and put a 20
I think you
above
should
it.
make a metal sign that flaps over it. And every year you put a new flap right on it.
That's a fucking really good idea. But then nobody will know how
Like
many
10
years.
years it'll be built
let him
up
in
to
the sign and
here.
you're good to go.
That's a really good idea.
After the 7th one he makes, then you put it right on.
It's true. It's true.
I don't hate that idea, but that seems like a lot of work.
You don't have a...
Use that lighter before
You got
it's
some flat white sheet metal in the back there. I can go grab it. And you got 4 pole barn screws, right? It'll cover up the original years, but I don't know.
I have 0.
You need to white out that one.
I'm just gonna go over it because that's the original 7. We just went over it, and then we did a Sharpie and changed the 7 to an 8, and then we did this as the truck color, I think, for the 9, and we did that. But now I don't know what to do with 2. Because I'm
2-0. Somebody call the po-po.
Is that a stain?
no, it's like a copper paint.
Okay.
That's a terrible 2.
It was close.
It's running.
I like that part though. Character. 2020, running but not going anywhere. 2029.
20.
We need to get there.
We got a ways to go. I don't think this is gonna make it 9 more years.
I don't know if the
Don't
country's
say
gonna
that.
make it 9 more years.
Let's see, how did he do his zeros?
Nailed it.
I don't think so.
Matches it perfectly.
First try.
No, the 2 is good. Oh, the 2 is good.
At least the wax and grease remover takes the paint off, but doesn't take the Winnebago paint off. We started rubbing through, redoing the.
Sure. Take a little bit out, like on the inside there to get.
Jeez, you're really asking a lot. Here,
Yeah,
I think I
it
can.
needs to
Now
be-
put more on.
I need to delete a little.
Oh, alright. You're right.
Oh God, there's a lot of pressure. All the pressure.
And you're on video. Maybe.
And it's setting up already. I need more go juice. So wax and grease remover works great for this, and it doesn't eat the paint off, or the original paint off. Learn something new every day.
What base is it?
Mm.
Wax base.
There you go. Give her a little more painter stain right in this little.
Little dabber do. We got a lot of backseat judges.
I'm the only professional one
You're the only one that didn't try it.
though. I know. That's what makes me professional. I can sit here and say it,
That's
but
true.
not do it and then be proved wrong.
You haven't been proven wrong yet. Good point. Does that look like 17, 18, 19, 20?
8 is hard to see.
Yeah, you're gonna get some more black marker in there.
I think we did it, boys.
I like it.
Alright guys, it's going to be a wrap for this one. We got the carburetor rebuilt, cleaned out. That's working great. No issues with that. Brakes are bled. They're working good enough to get down the road. We got the date changed. We got the roof sealed up kind of a little bit. We could use some more sealing on there, but we'll wait till next year. We got the bed ripped out above the driver and passenger seat, and then kind of re-supported the roof. So we're ready to go on the Gambler. So the next stop would be Saturday morning, about 6 o'clock. We're going to take off. So that's our goal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.